Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your Squarespace website with Square. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website if you're not already by going to squarespace.com, and from here, after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we can get started with looking at the left side of the screen where we can find all the sections we can use for managing our website. So let's go and take a look at how to connect it to Square. So for online payments using Square, what we can do is go ahead and click the settings option right here at the bottom of the screen, bottom left corner. Click settings and it's going to open up the settings menu where at the left side of the screen we can find all the settings options we can go ahead and access. And now let's go ahead and take a look at this option that says third-party tools. This is going to enable us to go ahead and open up our third-party tools, take a look at the extensions we have, and by clicking the extensions tab we can open up the extensions marketplace. From here you can use the search bar. Using the search bar you can use and search it for Square, and this is going to give you a result of all the extensions that are supported with Square. This is going to enable you to go ahead and integrate extensions such as the TikTok shop that are going to enable you to receive payments using Square. So this is one of the options you have for managing your store. So just by integrating that, people when they purchase on your website using the TikTok shop are going to be able to pay with Square and you can receive your money, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.